might as well. I don't like it. I'm not a homophobic, but I think it's like it's not fair that the fact that you say you're straight when you dressed up and you have a makeup on. That's not a straight guy. You know what I mean? I hope you get what I mean. Do you do private calls? If it paid, yeah. Wait, have you talked with Chase anything last month? Oh, but what? Why are you asking if I understand Korean? I thought you're Korean, man. I'm not Korean. Maybe he care about look. He? He who? Oh, anyway, about the date. Um, I'm actually just killing the time, guys, here, cause like I'm about to go for the final in 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, in 4 hours. So maybe 3 hours streaming, and then I have to get ready. Oh my god, that is my jersey. You see, that's Argentina and Spain. I saw a meme from Latino memes. It says, I can't believe we supporting our colonizer because Spain. Oh my god, that is so hilarious. 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 And then oh yeah, by the way, I didn't wear this bikini at the beach, but just today. Just when I get home, so I just changed because it was sandy and then like I was holding my dog. You're so cute. You know, he was almost fell asleep, but like instead of like rest his head, he just like so cute. Like he's so fucking sleepy. He's just like it's so cute. So you fucking hot and nice. I'm Swedish, far okay, makes sense. I just don't understand why you asked me if I can speak or understand Korean. I thought you're Korean. I'm sorry. Makes sense. I'm Swedish. So you do 50-50, yeah? Fucking hottie. So you go with both Argentinians. I know Krillin. Who's Krillin? Kirlin. Who the fuck is Kirlin? Sorry. Read my message before it and I'll explain why I asked. Where's your message? Who you supporting? I am supporting look, I love both, but I do deep down expecting Spain to win. Just because I have a bet with someone. If Spain win, but if Argentina win, I'm still gonna like shake my titties. If Spain win, I will shake my titties nakedly in the pub. Oh my god. A Korean girl streamer would probably want to collab if you're interested. Make sure she speak English. Man, I'm kind of not that get along with Korean people, to be honest with you, because I'm picky. If can you find me a Latina that I can collab with? I'm pretty sure you guys fellas get more excited if I collab with Latina, correct? More than with Korean. Come on, you want to see that big booty, that sexy accents, sexy face? Come on. If I was man, I want Latina. Yes. See? Latina over Korean girl. Yo, what's up? What's up, legend lurker? What's up? She does. Okay, that's good. Glad to do it as a celebration, I know. I'm pretty sure this one is fire with you. Latina. Yes. Let me see. What's her name? So, anyway. Okay. I'm watching a dick video. I miss that dick. Ay, qué rico. Man, I look so fucking hot today. No wonder why that Portuguese guy still hit on me. So, okay, anyway, that Portuguese guy that have a quick date with me at the beach, this is, so I saw his video, but I didn't know that was him. So, instead of using a scooter or like bicycle, like, like sport, he's using like an electric bicycle, and then he modified it at the back, so it looks like for his dog. And look, I took a picture of his dog and my dog. This is so fucking cute. Look. This is
Okay. This is Puffy. This is Leon. Leon, are you scared? Like, this is so cute. Isn't it, Puffy?
I need to
I know you're a
put a
good
bigger
boy.
basket.
He's angry with my dog because jealousy.
Facing Mama, come here. Look, it's okay. Okay. Puppy doesn't like it.
Yeah. He's like, "Arr." I was like, oh, come on. It's so fucking cute though. Like, this guy is very touchy. He's shorter than me. He's 45. He's a divorce lawyer. Seems like he got money. He got money. Alia, it's not always about money. I know. So he's like, oh, I'm looking for a wife. I was like, God damn it, I don't know, man. 45 is too old. If you need a delivery of something, let me know. I will send it to you. Ha! I love it when men are willing to do everything for me. Oh, you need something that I can help you? Oh, you want this? Yes, I want. That's how you guys should, not you guys, but that's how these men should treat me. Okay, you know what? Send me a fucking Mercedes, okay? I want Mercedes. I want to be your dog. Arf. Very cute. That's funny and cute. I know. Okay. I have ADHD. I fucking hate myself sometimes. So, there's on TikTok, yeah? A girl from far. It was him. With his bike and his dog during daytime. So he was making a turn, but like, I don't think him and this girl that the content creator know each other. She just like filming it, like there's like a random stuff happening on the street kind of thing. But he was wearing a mask, so I didn't recognize him. Also, I never saw him with that shit because the first time and last time I saw him, he was like using the normal bike. That's it, scooter.